Hello and welcome. It's nice to be in 2022 and still baking. Now this recipe is perfect for those overripe bananas we all have hanging around sometimes. I'll be showing you how I make these really tasty almond flour and banana cookies. So preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 175 degrees Celsius, and then line a large baking sheet with parchment paper and just spray it with oil to grease the paper. And next, into a bowl we're going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and give those a quick mix. And then we're also going to add 2 teaspoons of ground flaxseed. We're going to work with the wet ingredients next. So in a separate bowl, add in 1 egg and then 1 tablespoon of your choice of sweetener, so either honey or maple syrup. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 2 large mashed bananas. And we're just lightly whisking everything together. We're then going to pour the wet ingredients into the larger bowl of dry ingredients. Using either a whisk or a large spoon, then give everything a good mix and make sure everything is combined. And then the last ingredient to go in is the chopped walnuts. Add those in and give everything a good mix again. We're now ready then to pop all the mixture into cookie shapes onto our baking sheet. For each cookie we need 2 tablespoons worth of mixture, so use a serving spoon that's just larger than a tablespoon or an ice cream scoop like I'm doing. And from the mixture here I was able to make 16 cookies. Pop your baking sheet into the oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes. Note that they take a few minutes longer to bake than ordinary cookies, and that's because of the moisture content due to the bananas. The cookies will be golden brown when they're done. Leave them on the baking sheet to cool for 5 minutes and then transfer them onto a cooling rack. Then sit back and enjoy these healthy cookies, knowing that they contain no artificial sugars or processed fats. I hope you enjoy making this recipe, and thanks for watching.